Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a special edition beauty box to share with you, and it's a luxury beauty box, and it's by Beauty Expert, and it comes in this gorgeous box design. And this is their Serenity edit. Beauty Experts bring out these collections every few months. So to be in the know when they release their collections, you are able to sign up on their website so that you can be notified. So inside this box, which I'll open it up and show you, you will receive 6 luxurious beauty products curated by the experts. The value of the box comes to £220, and you can purchase this box for £65. All links related to this box and their website I will pop down below. So you click show more and everything will be listed under there. It's beautifully packaged. We've got a leaflet here detailing everything about the products inside the box, so I'll refer to this as we go along. And open it up to show you, give you a sneak peek. There you go. So the first item in the box is a face scrub by ECOOKING. This is 100ml pot and it retails for £23. Just want to put my fingers in there. So looking at the leaflet, it says get smooth soft skin with the help of this ECOOKING facial scrub, enriched with finely ground sweet almond seeds to remove dead skin cells, dirt and impurities. Shea butter replenishes hydration and soothes irritation for calmer and clearer skin. It's got a face scrub. So next item in the box is by the brand Rodial, and this is a pink diamond magic night gel, and there's 50ml here. This sounds great. I haven't tried this before. I love this brand. Absolutely love it. Ooh, it's got a little thank you note. Hope you love it, Maria. That is so cute. There's vitamin C drops there. There's a little sachet inside, a little sample. Brilliant. So this is to lift and illuminate. What stunning packaging. Hopefully you can see there. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. That is gorgeous. So what does it say? Resurfacing night gel with retinol for a visibly smoothed and refreshed complexion. Redensifying peptides, retinol, vitamin C, diamond powder. And it says in the evening, gently massage onto cleansed face and neck and allow to absorb thoroughly. I'm gonna have to try it. I love these. You just push them down and the cream comes up. You need to take the little thingy off though, don't you? It's I'm not speaking very well. The little seal, just like squirt a little bit out just to try. Yeah, it just smells nice and fresh. Nice and fresh. Oh, it's lovely. It is lovely. Really nice. So this 50ml night gel is worth £75. As part of RoDL's Pink Diamond range, the formula contains the brand's signature diamond powder, light reflecting particles that brighten your complexion with a soft glow. Retinol, vitamin C and redensifying peptides also brighten, tighten and stimulate collagen production overnight when your skin is most receptive to treatments. That sounds amazing. So I really have to give that a go. So there's that. Next we got a product by Korres, and it's another brand I love. They're a Greek brand. This is the White Pine Volumising Serum-in-Moisturiser, Meno-Reverse Fill and Pump, and we've got 40ml here, and I haven't tried this before. I was really fortunate enough to have an email from Korres sometime last year asking if I'd like to be on their PR list so that they can send me some samples to try, and oh, I was super excited. Sent over my address and things like that. And then I had an email to say, oh, I'm really sorry, but you're in the UK. We thought that you were in the US. So I got it. But they said if they ever do, send to the UK, then yeah, I'll be on their list. So I'm not too sure when that will happen, but oh, I'd love it. But anyway, the packaging is gorgeous again. Very smart, and it just oozes luxury. It doesn't really say much about it. I'm going to have to read the information on the booklet. And that's what it looks like there. So this 40ml moisturiser is worth £57. It says powered by Meno-Reverse technology, which has been clinically proven to combat sagging skin, and white pine extract to promote skin elasticity and to improve the look of wrinkles and age spots. This multitasking product has been specially designed to help older women, especially those post-menopause, to get a more youthful appearance. Near my mid-40s, but I'm still going to give that a go. I'm still going to give that a go and see what it's like. So we've got a moisturiser. That sounds fab. Next we got a Thisworks, and this is a pillow and room spray, and this is a sleep together calming spray. Relax together, sleep better together for busy days and brighter mornings, and it's 75ml. I've tried little samples of this and it is lovely. I've got quite a few little sprays and lotions behind me next to my bed, and I really do like it. And my daughter as well, she goes to bed every night spraying her pillow. So this is something new to me a couple of months ago. I thought it was similar to their other sprays because they do have a lavender and chamomile. It has a different scent. I'll see if there's more information in the leaflet, but it just says here, diffuse a sense of calm in the evening and at bedtime to encourage a better night's sleep. A 99% natural aromatherapeutic super blend of lavender, vetiver and chamomile that is suitable for all ages from 6 months onwards. A day to night calming spray to help everyone feel more relaxed and increase overall sleep satisfaction. And it says you can spray around the home, onto your pillows or bed cover before you go to sleep to diffuse a sense of calm. I'm not sure if I said, but there's 75 mils there. Yeah. The familiar scent, what's it say about it? So this size, 75 mils, is worth £22, and then it just tells me information, what I've just read on the back here. In all honesty, it doesn't smell any different to the other ones I've got, the Pillow Mist. I must get them out and like compare them. But anyway, we got a Sleep Together Calming Spray. Then we got a product by Nuxe, and it's a lip balm. It's a honey lip balm, ultra nourishing and repairing. Love the packaging. That is really cute with the bees. Got 15 grams here. Smell of honey. It smells of oranges. Smells of oranges. Oh, no, is my lipstick coming off? That is nice. That is really, really nice. So to buy this lip balm, it will cost you £10.50, and it says treat dry lips with this collector's edition Nuxe lip balm, especially formulated to celebrate the brand's commitment to the protection of bees with 84.5% natural ingredients. Encased in an apothecary style glass jar, this ultra nourishing honey infused lip product soothes, hydrates and smooths. Oh, how wonderful. Well, that is lovely. So there's a lip balm. One item left, and we got a, what is it? We got a big cleanser by Gatineau, Paris, and this is a transforming cream cleanser for face and eyes for normal to dry skin, and there's 200 mils there. It's a nice big size, isn't it? It just says remove all makeup and eliminates impurities to leave the skin clean and comfortable. Massage onto dry skin with small circular motions around the entire face, including the eye area. Allow the cream to melt and dissolve makeup. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and experience the cleanser transform into a light oil. Wow. I know it's a cleanser, not a cream, but I just wanted to see what it's like. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, that's got a really nice smell. Again, it's very subtle. None of these are heavily fragranced or anything. They're all quite natural, but just nice and fresh. Really lovely. So to buy this at 200 mils, it will cost you £36. Skin purifying and super light with an energizing scent. The spa-worthy formula removes dirt, toxins and grime to leave skin feeling fresh and looking radiant. A trio of sweet almond, coconut and soya bean oils make up an impressive 42% concentration to leave skin squeaky clean with protected pH levels. It's got a cleanser. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to gather them all up. So we've got a Rodial Magic Night Gel. We've got a Korres Volumising Serum-in-Moisturiser. We've got a Thisworks Sleep Together Calming Spray. We've got an ECOOKING Face Scrub. We've got a Nuxe Limited Edition Honey Lip Balm. And finally, we got a Gatineau Transforming Facial Cleanser. I've got them all back in the box. They're looking lovely. I'm going to have to rearrange them to take a photo after. I love these collections. They do amazing collections. I've had 1 or 2 of them in the past, and I'm so, so grateful to Beauty Expert for sending these out to me as a gift. Yeah, they're just amazing. Some really, really gorgeous products. Some I've tried before, some I haven't. So yeah, no, really nice. They always do collections with really high values, and they're all full size, which is brilliant. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts though. Have you seen this box? I think it's been out for a couple of months now. Have you seen it? Do you own it, or is this something new and you're thinking, ooh, I might treat myself or as a gift to someone or something? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.